Hello all traders, today is Thursday 23rd of January 2025 and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1 hour micro chart, we see that the price started to go down during the Asian session and then buyers came back during the London session and hold the price here, and it was in a narrow range sideways, highly volatile. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price retested this level of support and bounced back, and buyers came back and retested this level a few times. So our plan of action for today was to wait for this volatility to come down and market find direction, and when it tests this level of support at extreme level, we enter long positions with setup B and C and T in a well-established uptrend. So that's what we have done, and around 220 when the price had a dip pullback here and testing this new level of support, and then buyers came back. We took long position in this uptrend wave and entered with setup C and T on Nasdaq and also on S&P 500 with setup C, multiple positions, and all the signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts. And you see the performance on one of these accounts here that shows it was positive with profit factor of 99, which is infinite and cannot be calculated because we had 100% win rate from 7 long positions taken. But we can see that the average winning trades were 158 and the largest winning trade was $240. So that was the summary of the trades we have taken on the futures prop firm account. And on the small 5K CFD prop firm account, yesterday we had multiple positions that we hold some of them overnight for swing trading, and we closed some position with profit. And I tried also one new instrument, which was VIX CFD, which didn't have regular update, so I closed this with a small loss. The rest of positions was on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 because the volatility was high and it was uncertain the direction of market. I closed some of the swing trades that was holding with a small loss. And then at the end of the market, when it became bullish, I took long position repeatedly on Dow Jones. And you can see the results here that were all positive. So if we look at the result of all this trade, we are $35 positive so far with the profit factor of 3.2. This is the equity curve that shows we closed at $36 profit 2 days ago, and last night position that was closed with fastest call was positive. But the swing trades and the VIX CFD led to some drawdown, which was recovered with the Dow Jones trade. So we are around $35.57, which is $1 less than the account balance of 2 days ago. So overall, we had 60 trades so far on the second stage of the prop firm account, with 51 of them winners that provided a win rate of 85%. This shows the equity curve and the amount of drawdown. So drawdown with the swing trade is still less than 0.5%, which is 10 times less than the 5% requirement of the prop firm. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm accounts and also the CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.